In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix internal error in Telegram. If you're seeing that frustrating internal error message when trying to open chats, send media, or load content, don't worry. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable sequence of fixes. Follow along in order and test Telegram after each step. First, completely close the app with a forced stop. On most Android devices, long press the Telegram icon on your home screen, tap App Info, and choose Force Stop, then Confirm. This halts any stuck background processes that can trigger internal errors. After a few seconds, reopen Telegram and see if the error is gone. If it persists, move on. Next, clear the app cache from within Telegram. Open the app, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, and tap Storage Usage. Choose Clear Entire Cache. This removes temporary files and thumbnails that sometimes corrupt during downloads or updates. Don't worry, clearing cache does not delete your chats, cloud media, or account. It simply frees space and refreshes the app's working files. Give the app a quick check after this. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, disable it for now. Network tunnels can cause routing conflicts or rate limits that look like internal errors. Turn off your system-wide VPN, and if you previously enabled a proxy inside Telegram, switch it off in Telegram settings. The goal here is to let Telegram connect directly so you can rule out network interference. You can always re-enable your VPN later if needed. Make sure Telegram is fully up to date. Head to your device's app store, search for Telegram, and install any available update. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that resolve internal errors introduced by older versions. After updating, launch the app and try loading a chat or sending a message. Finally, sign out of your account and sign back in. In Telegram, go to Settings, tap the three dots or Edit, and select Log Out. Then log back in with your phone number and the verification code sent to you. Only enter codes you requested and never share them. Logging out refreshes your session and can clear account level glitches without deleting your cloud synced chats and media. Just make sure you have access to your number before you begin. Work through these steps patiently in this order. Force stop, clear cache, disable VPN or proxies, update the app, and log out and back in. In most cases, the internal error will disappear and Telegram will behave normally again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to your conversation smoothly.